Hello everybody. How to create a simple riser. Okay, first you can load the instrument or you can use a sample what you have here in the media bay from Cubase, but I use a piano sample. Simple piano instrument. Okay, first I record me a C minor or C major, it doesn't matter. Okay, so then open the key editor. And then here you can have some more options. You can keep it, or you can make it a little bit louder. So we do it okay. So now you open the bottom, and then here you see four functions. So editor, sample controller, chord pads, and mixing console. So I use the sample chord control, and now come the thing. So you can drag and drop the completely MIDI file with the piano in the sample. And here we are. So now here is now the sampler from Cubase. So, and here you have now the piano sample. Okay, so now we have to look a little bit and make it nice. So here, that's good. I think that's good enough. And also now you can use the filter when you like. And also you have here the reverse sample, so you can reverse the sample. First listen. Okay. And then you can use the same MIDI file. Also, you open the key editor and then you make it a little bit nicer. So you can use now modulation or expression. Yes, or we use that. And then you can make this one. And then when you want to do little crazy things, so you can open the note expression, and then you have here special things with tuning, panning, volume, yeah, aftertouch. So, and aftertouch is a very cool function too. So, and then you can open the node. So here the aftertouch. And the second one, when you like, you can do maybe nice tuning. Okay, one more time. And then we have the very cool function here, random in place. So we have here no effects, nothing. So try signal, and then you can use your custom name when you like. So here's the thing. So now you have your riser in the project. So after that, you duplicate them when you like. So here you make that a little bit fine. So that's cool. And then you switch them. And then you make the snap off. So now you can transfer the audio file in the project how you are like. But before you do this together, check them too. That's cool. And then I think I make it a little bit bigger so I can see this better. And then you can push this together. Yes. That's good. After that you do a crossfade. And then I make this now a little bit small. So now you have this thing. And then first we listen. And then you can use random and place. Okay, who's that? One more time. Okay. So and now, when you like, you can do this in the sampler too, and then you can use the MIDI note for that. And so very easy. So you reopen the bottom. Push them in. So now we have the sound fix inside. And then we can change a little bit. So here we have the cutoff and the resonate. A little bit 5. Also you can change here a little bit. Okay. I think you become the idea. Yes, and so now we have here the sampler. A little bit clean up here. So and then you can set here a simple this way. Okay, this is set. It's not nice enough, but anyway. And then you can use the same function. So before you can use a note adding, note expression when you like. So maybe pitch bend, the last this note here. So push them here, and then we push them down. Okay. So in here. And then also now you can use the original for that. And when you want, you can do it now insert, maybe a phaser or a nice auto panning. You can do this here on the sampler. A nice beautiful auto panning. I use for that the simple soundtrack, a preset, sorry. Here we are. Also here we have the side shave function. So maybe we can put them now here and see what's going on. And yeah. Okay. I think that's enough for today, and I hope this was helpful for you, and I think you become the idea. Yeah, thank you for watching and take care. Bye.